Toyota will expand its UK SUV roster again with the introduction of the 4th generation Highlander. It will sit between the RAV4 and Land Cruiser SUVs with a starting price of £50,595 and it will come with a hybrid powertrain. The Toyota Highlander has been sold in North America, Japan and Australia in various guises since 2000, but the rapidly growing 7-seat SUV market in Europe has now given Toyota all the incentive it needs to bring the latest version here. The Highlander is built on Toyota's GA-K platform, which it shares with the Camry and the RAV4. However, it's larger than both of these vehicles, measuring 4,950mm long, 1,930mm wide and 1,730mm tall. It also has a 658-litre boot capacity, expanding to a claimed 1,909 litres with the second and third seating rows stored. The Highlander uses a 2.5-litre Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder petrol engine and a CVT gearbox, although it features an electric motor on each axle rather than just a single motor at the rear. Total system output stands at 241 brake horsepower, while economy and emission figures are a claimed 42.8 miles per gallon and 146 grams per kilometer of CO2 respectively. The system will offer 4 drive modes, including a trail function along with an EV-only mode. UK buyers will have their choice of 2 trim levels, XL and XL Premium. The base model features 20-inch alloy wheels, a panoramic glass sunroof, leather upholstery, 3-zone air conditioning and a JBL stereo system. Buyers should also get a brace of USB ports and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. XL Premium models start from £52,575 and built on this specification with a unique set of 20-inch alloy wheels, a head-up display, heated rear seats, a 360-degree parking camera and a power-operated hands-free tailgate.